Do you ever wonder what goes on inside a warehouse? Or what kinds of jobs make the entire operation possible? In today's video, we'll check the career path of a warehouse, covering everything from warehouse workers to chief operations officers. Let's take a closer look at these roles, the skills you need, education requirements, and the earning potential in each position. Let's start. 1. Warehouse worker. Job description: warehouse workers are responsible for receiving, storing, and distributing products within the distribution center. They perform tasks such as picking and packing orders, managing inventory, and maintaining a clean and safe working environment. Working hours, typically full-time, with shifts that may include nights and weekends. Required skills: physical stamina, attention to detail, basic math skills, and the ability to operate material handling equipment. Work experience: often just 0 to 1 years is sufficient to get started. Minimum education: high school diploma or equivalent. Average salary: $30,000 to $38,000 per year. 2. Forklift operator. Job description: forklift operators move goods within the warehouse using forklifts or other machinery. They ensure that products are safely loaded, unloaded, and organized in the storage areas. Working hours: full-time, often involving shift work. Required skills: ability to operate forklifts safely, knowledge of warehouse safety protocols, and attention to detail. Work experience, typically 1 to 2 years in a warehouse or related environment, is beneficial. Minimum education: high school diploma, forklift certification may be required. Average salary: $35,000 to $45,000 per year. 3. Warehouse supervisor. Job description: supervisors oversee the daily operations of the warehouse, managing warehouse staff, ensuring efficient workflows, and maintaining quality control standards. They are responsible for training new employees and addressing operational issues. Working hours: full-time, with the possibility of overtime during peak seasons. Required skills: leadership, organizational skills, problem-solving abilities, and effective communication. Work experience: this role requires 3 to 5 years of experience in a warehouse or logistics setting. Minimum education: high school diploma, some positions may require an associate degree or relevant experience. Average salary: $50,000 to $65,000 per year. 4. Inventory control specialist. Job description: inventory control specialists monitor inventory levels, conduct audits, and ensure that stock is organized and accessible. They utilize inventory management systems to track product quantities and locations. Working hours: full-time, typically during standard business hours. Required skills: strong analytical skills, attention to detail, and experience with inventory software. Work experience: this role usually requires at least 2 to 3 years of experience, especially in inventory management or a related field. Minimum education: associate degree or higher preferred. Average salary: $45,000 to $60,000 per year. 5. Logistics manager. Job description: logistics managers oversee the entire supply chain process, coordinating the movement of goods from suppliers to customers. They develop strategies to optimize logistics operations, manage budgets, and ensure compliance with regulations. Working hours: full-time, may include extended hours during critical periods. Work experience: 5 to 7 years of experience in logistics, distribution, or supply chain. Required skills: strategic planning, communication, analytical skills, and proficiency in logistics software. Minimum education: bachelor's degree in logistics, supply chain management, or a related field. Average salary: $70,000 to $90,000 per year. 6. Supply chain director. Job description: supply chain directors are responsible for the overall strategy and management of the supply chain operations. They work to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure that the supply chain aligns with the organization's goals. This role involves overseeing logistics managers and coordinating with other departments to optimize supply chain performance. Working hours: full-time, often requiring additional hours to meet strategic goals. Required skills: leadership, strategic thinking, strong negotiation skills, and a deep understanding of supply chain principles. Work experience: this position requires at least 8 to 10 years of experience, with a background in logistics, manufacturing, or supply chain roles. Minimum education, bachelor's degree in supply chain management, business administration, or a related field, an MBA is often preferred. Average salary, $100,000 to $150,000 per year. 7. Chief Operations Officer, COO. Job description: the COO oversees all operational aspects of a company, including the warehouse. This role involves setting operational policies, managing resources, and driving efficiency across all areas of the business. The COO collaborates closely with other executives to align operational strategies with overall company goals. Working hours, full-time, with a significant commitment often required beyond standard business hours. Required skills: exceptional leadership, strategic planning, problem-solving abilities, and financial acumen. Work experience: this role typically requires at least 15 years of experience, often with a background in logistics, operations, or a related field. Minimum education: bachelor's degree in business or a related field, an MBA or similar advanced degree is highly desirable. Average salary, $150,000 to $250,000 per year. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on careers in distribution and supply chain.